To create a Killbrick in Roblox Studio, follow these steps. Open Roblox Studio and create or open your game project. Insert a new part into your game workspace by selecting Part from the Model tab. Resize and position the part as needed to fit your game design. With the part selected, go to the Explorer panel and click the icon next to the part's name to add a new script. Replace the default script code with the following code. Save your game and test it by playing in Roblox Studio. When a player character touches the Killbrick, their health should drop to 0, effectively killing them.